si, ano ba, si Tim, focus na focus din si Tim.
Hindi naman sir.
Nade-distract si Tim ko yan. Grabe, ginabigyan kita ng hint ba? Matagal mong mag-gets. Very good.
Eh, ako pala representative sa proms eh.
Wow, sa inyo, classroom? Pogi naman masyado. Kailan kaya siya?
Mga February.
Matagal pa. Happy birthday to you.
Uy, sir.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday
We know you don't celebrate,
Happy
but still, happy birthday.
to you.
How old are you?
15.
Wow! Okay, so maganda tayo sa kanya. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
What is your wish? Ano ba?
Kahapon sana yun. Dali ka man
Ay,
alis.
sorry.
Happy birthday. Tapos nag-asaw kay ano mo, kay ate, ano, ma'am, ayaw ba ma'am? Di siya, yung kung bibigyan namin siya ng cake, tapos sabi, okay man daw, wow! Happy birthday!
Magkano yan, sir?
Ay, huwag lang bayad ito. Libre yan siya.
To more many years
Birthday.
for you.
Yes, kuya. So
Mabuhay
this
ka
one,
hanggang gusto mo.
naghanap ako ng ano kuya, ng candle.
Halal
mga
yan.
candle. Okay, this is halal ha?
Yeah.
Apo.
Do not worry.
So happy birthday kuya sa Ihim. Happy birthday! That's for you kuya.
Uy, may camera pala.
Yes!
Naka-record pala.